Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn English words about householding and field work in village. So in morning I had my meal, then my mom said to me that you have to cut grass for the buffalo. So I said okay mom, then I asked that where should I cut the grass. So my mom pointed me one tree that was corner of the field near our home. Then I grabbed the sickle. So you can see here, you can see in my hand, I sharpened that sickle on the rock. I went near the tree and first I fixed the camera to shoot. I climbed on the tree. I started cutting the grass. I started hitting the tree stems and separating them from the tree. Separated tree was fallen down under the tree. It was not difficult task for me because I'm habitual to do such type of task. But 2 years ago, I didn't climb on the tree because I had an injury on my back. But now I can climb and do such type of work. This tree was not big, so it was small tree. I have cut grass from that tree 2 times before. So when we own the tree, we have to be careful, and we sh- we actually should be, and feet should be placed on the right place. So I placed my feet on the right place, and so we also must hold the tree tightly so we don't fall down. So I cut the grass with the stem. I was cutting it. I was hitting very hard on the stem. So that's why tree stem actually was separating from the tree, because I sharpened that sickle on the rock before coming here. So, so I actually loved that type of work because from childhood, I actually like to climb on the tree. Then I threw the sickle down and I climbed down from the tree. Then I took relax and sight of relief. Then I had to collect all the fallen grass stem. So I started collecting all the fallen stem and make a bundle. You know that I like to climb the tree and cut the stem, but I don't like to collect all the fallen stem because I feel like boring work. But that time I was alone, so I had to do this work because I had come to cut the grass alone. So slowly I collected all the stems and made a bundle. So I was collecting all the stems one by one and put them on the bundle of that grass. Then I have collected all the stems and I have made the bundle of the grass. So you can see here, So you can see here the stems. There were long stems of the tree. So I was fixing my mobile camera because I wanted to show you the bundle of grass, and I wanted to show you how I was collecting that stem. So I wanted to show you the action. So right after that I have collected that and I lifted. I was ready to go. Then I took relax, and you can see my home. I think you can see. So then I lifted it on the shoulder and also grabbed the camera. I came back to my home with that bundle. So that bundle was not heavy, it was light. So, and I reached at the cattle house. So camera was not in a good position. So I put that bundle. So I put that bundle down under the shade near the cattle house. So you can see our cattle house. This is you can see here the shade, and it's a machine, cutting grass machine, and here is our buffalo. So I brought that grass for that buffalo. So now I have to, so you can see here, this is, it says buffalo. So I hope you have learned a lot from this blog. If you like, then please like, share. Thank you very much.